Hey guys, how are you? In this video, I am going to show you how you can hide a folder from your computer that nobody will see or nobody will find. So firstly, I'm gonna create a folder here. Okay, then open it in CMD. Okay, so for hiding this profile, I have to write attrib plus H plus S plus R. Then name of the folder, space name of the folder. Okay, then press enter. Okay, as you can see, if I refresh this, the folder has been removed here. So don't worry guys, the folder has not been deleted, so you can restore the folder as well. So you can restore the folder as well. So for that you have to write the same command, but this time you don't have to use the plus, you have to use the minus instead of the plus. Okay, okay, attrib minus H minus S minus R, then the folder name. Okay, then press enter. Sorry, then press enter. So as you can see, the folder has been restored in the same location. So this is how you can hide a folder. So then if needed, then you can show the folder as well. So thank you, thanks for watching.